In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Shopify to Instagram and Facebook. Now, once you've logged into your account and you are in your dashboard, what you want to do is look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu, right? Now, here you want to click on apps like so, and this pop-up will appear. This is going to be the search bar for you to search different apps that you can integrate to your Shopify account. So here, what we want to do is type Facebook like so. And it's going to be the first option. It's going to say Facebook and Instagram. So what you want to do is click here like so. A new tab will appear, and it's going to bring you to the App Store page for Facebook and Instagram. What you want to do is click on install like so. Another pop-up or another tab will appear. So here, this is going to be your admin menu. So again, click install like so. Now it's going to install this Facebook and Instagram app to your Shopify account. Now wait for it to load. And there you go. It is now installed in your Shopify account. So the next thing you can do is click on connect Facebook account. Do take note that you need to connect the Facebook account that is connected to your Facebook business page, right? So make sure that that's the right Facebook page or Facebook account that you are going to connect with your Shopify. So click connect Facebook account like so. This pop-up will appear. And here, what you want to do is click confirm account, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.